And I met one of the most prolific marketers in the industry, had made tens of millions of dollars just without any employees, with total freedom, like what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not talking about creating a business with lots of employees here. I'm not talking about having high-paying clients and having to do sales and management calls. I'm not talking about having to be salesy and doing a network marketing company. I'm not talking about making, gambling in real estate or stock trading. I'm talking about purely online. And I asked him what I should do. And because I said, I'm in marketing, I'm struggling, what is your advice? And he gave me some simple advice every few weeks, and I'm gonna share a lot of that with you on this training that I'm hosting. So there should be a link somewhere around, maybe it's below this video, but basically you can click there and sign up for my free training on how to make money online and how I've been able to create multiple millionaires who have just applied this system in their own, and created their own online income. So I look forward to sharing that with you, and at the very end of the training, the free training, I'm actually going to give you access to an entirely free course on how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. Okay, you're going to get access to an entirely free course on how to do all of this. And I'm going to give you all of the tools that you need to learn how to make money online as an affiliate marketer, purely working from the internet. Again, no clients, no inventory, none of, no phone calls, no expensive stock trading or real estate stuff, just purely online. So I look forward to seeing you on the live training that we're hosting this week. And make sure that you attend and you stay all the way to the end to get access to your free course and the other bonuses that I'll be offering on this call.